Hey folks, and welcome back to Brisket Medic. This 4th of July weekend, I know you're going to be out camping, out having fun with your friends and family, and I want you to know that there's an extremely easy way to make amazing burgers on your griddle today on Brisket Medic. First, you want to start off with some good ground beef. Personally, I like to use a lot of ground brisket because I have a lot of trimmings left over, but today we're going to be using some sirloin from H-E-B. I love H-E-B's meat selection, and what I do is I get these out of the package and I make balls that are between 2 and 3 ounces each. And uniform size means that while you're cooking, and you'll see why, it's a little easier to keep up with these things because they do cook pretty quickly. 2 to 3 ounces, you make the ball, put that ball directly onto your hot griddle. Not seasoned first, directly onto the hot griddle as a ball, and then smash them down. Now, when you're done smashing them down, you want to smash them down really thin, between 1/8 and 1/4 of an inch. You want to slide that spatula over. Sometimes I grease the bottom of my spatula, butter it, and it helps slide it off. Slide that over, and that'll release the meat from the bottom of the spatula. That's going to cook for about 45 seconds to a minute before it's ready to flip over. We want to make sure that we season it at this point. Get them flipped over. Sometimes they'll stick. Don't worry about that. If your griddle's more seasoned than mine is, it won't stick. And as I did this cook, because I cooked a lot of burgers, as I did this cook, it actually got better down the road. Get them flipped over, and at this point, I'll season the back side, and after about 15-20 seconds, throw some cheese on it. That cheese is going to begin to melt down. That meat is going to be caramelizing. Smashburgers are amazing, not because you smash them to get the juices out, but you smash them immediately when you get that ball onto that hot griddle, because you want the most surface area touching that hot griddle so that you can crank up that Maillard reaction and get that caramelization of all those natural sweet and salt flavors in the meat itself. It gives you a beautiful crust and an even more amazing flavor. When that's done, I like to get my buns on the griddle, throw them on there. I do the outside first, then I flip them over and do the inside. I do this last because I like for my buns to be warm, and when you have a toasted bun, your buns get soggy a lot slower, so you'll be able to eat the whole burger before your buns get soggy. So build it however you want. I like to throw onions on mine, lettuce, tomato, and mustard, and it's really simple, and I absolutely love it. It's super easy, super fast. You can cook a ton of these at a really quick amount of time. Guys, I hope that you enjoy this. I hope that you give it a try, and I hope that your family enjoys America on this 4th of July. I love you folks. Drink more water. God bless America.